Okay. It's kind of racist, motivated, but I. Hello. Whoa, hold on. What am I doing? Hello. No, that's racist motivated. That is racist. Okay. Hello, Mark. Welcome to. Hello. Hello. For the love of bond. Yeah. I know. Okay, first sis, reset your height. Why do you need reset my height? Stand tall, pull your controllers near your hips and press L4. Okay. Oh, come here. Banana. Oh, yeah. Yeah, baby. I am new to this, so I have no idea. But this is like kind of like prototype. What's up, Yeah, okay. That was a little rough, but there's still. Here's a real challenge. See if you can cross that down. Okay. Ow. Okay, you're surpassing my very low expectations. I'm almost impressed. Nicely spike. Recommend double jump. It's just like bouncing on the ground. Simply swing both of your arms while you are in the air. Oh shoot! Okay. What? That was not my fault. Damn. That would not make it save. If you move like that, you might lose your news status. More bananas. Go cut them off. Then meet me on the other side of the cave. I got more to show you. Hey! You wait for me. Gobble your pause. Oh shoot, about a dime. I was hard to you, boy. Sir, I can't fly like you. Okay? We don't talk about that. What just happened? Yeah. But do I like? Oh, calm around. It's pretty fun, huh? You know what's even more fun? Fine, sweet. Yeah. You can swing like Tarzan. Well, I guess Tarzan swing like a monk. You get my point. This game is it's all about timing. We can learn to fly like a hopper monk. Just these fine. We are swinging towards nest. If you fall, just come back up. Or there is a portal at the base of the cliff that will bring you back. Wait, so okay. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa. No! Oh, so that was it. Okay. Thank you for that. 'Cause I'm not coming back up there. Okay. Swing your vines like me. Swing. Oh, not. Swing like the monkey I am. Swing like a. Okay, bro. This whole reel about to be on racist at this point. Swing like a monkey I am, baby. Oh yeah, baby. Oh. Hey, chill. Wait, I thought. Oh, that is some. I could come on there, but hey, go on there, but just let. Okay, so that took me forever. I just got that one bit. Okay. Someday you'll be able to swing with ease. For now, enjoy the struggle bus. My favorite part. Let's throw some monkey. How the heck is that? Oh, okay, hold on. Whoa! What's up, my fellow monkeys? Yeah. Yeah. My aim is so off. Yeah, I'm coming for you. I'm coming for you behind. Yeah, I'm right here. Yeah. Don't put him in the comments, please. Because I was just stay up trash. Okay. Let me see. There's a more. Okay, so I can probably bounce from here. Or not. Okay. Okay. Don't make us. Shut up, guys. Shut up. Oh. Like this banana. This banana. No! A monkey! Yeah. Wait. Oh, I thought I was gonna fall down. Come on, baby. Baby. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh no. Yeah. There's two. No, there's three more. I almost cough on my choke on my spit, but I'm gonna be okay. Yeah. I know what you did to my girlfriend last night. Mm-hmm. Hey. Oh. So I can. Yeah, I enjoy this.
For years, we've studied the beautiful islands within the Bermuda Triangle. I can't yet explain it, but the indigenous rubies of the islands possess a mythical power. We've discovered that the native primates have learned how to harness this energy. I was hired by Congo to observe, but I learned their true intent. Their ignorance and greed led to disaster.
No, I bet you're right.
Since that horrible day, the monkeys have acted quite strange. They began worshipping Specimen B. In exchange for bananas, Bongo gives them enchanted monkey merch. He eats so many bananas, I think, to hide his guilt. They just keep playing his monkey games. I don't think that they realize Congo will return.
Who the heck is Congo?
And even worse, I have no idea what happened to Specimen X.
You goofy.